new restored Carcano. She's a beauty. She's heavy. How much heavier than the last one I restored? So we're going to test the new steel clip while we're testing the rifle. So it went in no problem. Fed no problem. See if we can hit a target without a problem. I'm going to go for the silhouette down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't matter because this is for testing purposes only. Eyes and ears, essential for testing out a new gun, especially one that you just took apart completely. So here we go. See how accurate she is. Hit it without a problem. A little hard to cycle. I'm not sure why. Let's do it again to a different target. Another one. Oh, see, it's doing the same thing as last time. Gah, stuck. All right. Cut. That sucks. Ah. Well then. Ugh. Okay. Got it out. Push it down. Man, it keeps doing that. Okay, we're clear. So I went ahead and brought out some more of these to see if they cycle. They're the solid projectile. See if that works any better. And we'll start off with the full metal jacket first, not the soft point. Let's see if the brass tips or the brass clips work any better. I'm going to go for that 8-inch plate there, see if I can pang it. Definitely a sharper crack. So I got to aim low, a little higher on the target, and I should hit it. But I'm kind of close. I'm probably about 60, 70 yards away. Try again. That last round was a doozy. Alright, here you go at this plate. And the clip fell. So that worked a little better. So here we go. Man, I can't even imagine bringing this thing to war. Push it in. And that's it. And we're hot. So I'm going to back up a little bit, see if I can go even further with my shot. So here we go. Go for the silhouette. See that? Shit just popped right out the top. Oh well. All right, as good as we're gonna get it for a 100-yard shot. Yeah, it's not easy to do. See where I'm hitting. Well, that's still fun to do right there. Let's just stick with that. All right. I appreciate you watching. If you like this video and the series, please leave a like and subscribe, and consider subscribing to my channel. So, thank you for watching. The damn CT guy with Shooting Shit TV, signing off.